to link charts in Tradingview. In this video, I'll show you how to link charts in Tradingview so you can analyze different timeframes or assets at the same time. First, open Tradingview and click on the Select Layout button at the top right corner. Choose a multi-chart layout based on how many charts you want to display. Once your layout is set, you will need to link the charts. Click on the Symbol Link option and select a color. Then, assign the same color to all the charts you want to sync. Now, whenever you change the symbol on one chart, all linked charts will update automatically. If you want to sync timeframes as well, you can use the Interval Linker feature. This allows you to change timeframes across multiple charts with a single click. Similarly, you can link crosshairs so that when you hover over one chart, the cursor moves in sync across all linked charts, making technical analysis easier. And that's it. Now you know how to link charts in Tradingview for a more efficient workflow. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips.